precision matters in every degree. See how Estes Services delivers advanced variable refrigerant flow VRF solutions for manufacturing facilities where temperature control, air quality, and efficiency are non-negotiable. Engineered for accuracy. Installed for performance, trusted by Atlanta's manufacturing facilities. Ready to upgrade your facility with high-performance VRF technology? Contact Estes Services today for a commercial consultation. Your environment, our expertise. One controlled solution.